You know, forward-facing sonar has become such a huge part of our sport. Some people may even are sick about hearing about it, but the reality is it's here and it's here to stay. On my tournament bow right here, I run Active Target 2 on my bow mount, and enter a new product that Lowrance just came out with. I just got it, and this is the Eagle Eye 9 it's called. And it comes with the forward-facing sonar transducer also. So the biggest difference you're gonna see here is this forward-facing sonar, the Eagle Eye transducer, actually hooks directly into that 9-inch graph. So very, very simple use. You can experience live sonar in forward and down. So it's a little bit different than the Active Target 2. With this, it's kind of simplified, and it's a lot more affordable for those of you that have fishing kayaks, smaller boats, and just want to see what forward-facing sonar and down sonar, live sonar is about. So very, very cool feature, very easy to use, nice and compact so you can fit it on smaller boats. If you haven't experienced forward-facing sonar, definitely check out this Eagle Eye 9. It's extremely affordable to put it on your boat or fishing kayak and go out there and check out all these fish reactions.